Welcome back! Dito lang po sa kusina ni Tita Ching. Yan. Once again guys, kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe dito sa channel ko, please subscribe! Hit that notification bell. And please do comment, like, and share too. Okay, so ngayong gabi, luluto po ulit tayo ng salmon teriyaki. Ayan, ito na po ang ating mga ingredients. Okay, ito na po ang ingredients ng ating salmon teriyaki. Una, of course, the 4 slices of salmon, light soy sauce, cider vinegar, honey, my love, so sweet, and sesame oil. We will put as well, we will grate this cloves, 3 cloves of garlic, and a thumb size of ginger. Alright, okay, next step is to mix all the ingredients as I have said earlier. Alright, so that's the light soy sauce, the cider vinegar, honey, my love, so sweet. Honey, my love, so sweet. Sinong kumanta nun? Ano ba? I don't know now. And then the sesame oil. Right. Okay. Oh, nakalimutan ko sabihin, mayroon din tayong olive oil later for the frying. Right, so next is, I shall then grate this. Yan. One thumb size of ginger, i-grate din natin. Baka naman mag-grate ko na itong aking fingers. Okay. Dapat talaga may extra na pag 1 thumb size, dapat mas lakihan mo para may may panghawakan ka. Iyan. Alright, there we go. Okay. Ayan, so mix na natin. At lagyan din pa natin ng 3 hiwang ginger, like that. Right, just mix together. Ayan. Mix well. Mix very well. Yeah, madali lang to guys. So after this, imamarinate na natin yung ating 4 na slices na. Okay. Lagay ko lang yung aking gloves. Right, so i-dip na natin. We're going to dip. Yan, that's it. Bango. Very, very mabango. Yung sesame oil talaga, napakabango niya. Okay. Ito, ganito guys, ang gumawa ng teriyaki salmon. Okay, so 4 of them. Come on. Siguro magtagilid kayo naman para magkasya kayo. Ayan. That's it. Gawan ng paraan. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, ima-marinate lang natin guys for about 30 minutes. And then, after 30 minutes, babalikan ko kayo para nating i-prito na ang ating teriyaki, salmon teriyaki. Right, so, tatakpan ko lang guys ng cling film. And then, we will set aside for about 30 minutes. Okay. Yeah, so, takpan lang natin guys ng cling film. Like that. And then, we'll be right back guys. And after 30 minutes. Okay, so place the salmon in the pan. Skin side up. Okay. So skin side up and we will sear till golden brown about 3 to 4 minutes. Kasya ba? There we go. Okay. Okay, we will turn the salmon. Okay. Okay. So we'll do it about 3 minutes. Okay. Alright guys, this is ready. Yeah, the sauce is thickens. Now we will transfer it into the serving dish. Okay, guys, so lagyan na natin ng kanyang sauce. There we go. Our salmon teriyaki. Lagyan natin ng konting green garnish. Para colorful naman, konti. Yan. Our salmon teriyaki, guys. Okay. Easy recipe. Yan. Let's go, guys. Kainin na natin, guys. Come on, let's go. Eto na, guys. Bago pa malantakan lahat yan, naghiwalay na ako ng aking pack lunch bukas. Ayan, ang pack lunch ni Tita Ching para bukas sa kanyang duty. O, diba? May pang-upload na kay Lolo. May pang-baon pa. O, saan ka pa? Alright, so guys, see you again tomorrow in my next video. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. And guys, please subscribe. Kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe dito sa channel ko, like, comment, and share. Bye! Oh, special shoutout pala sa aking mga members. Eto na sila. Please, guys, do connect to them. UPS Rexy Vlog, Alni TV, Theus Vlog, Bells Japan, Lucy Takuban, Crystal Wanderlust Diary, Shy Heart Explorer, Cecilia B. Ireland, Bianca Puppet, The Beef Channel, My Cuisinera Pampanga, Christine Validor, Nurin Iwe, Rudes Lagura, Kuya Parts, and Bam Bam Hermes. Thank you for watching. See you again tomorrow in my next video. Keep safe, everyone. Bye!